Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Redmi K30S and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left. So here we are. Now let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this settings. So when we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the video mode we have the image stabilization at the second place. So by using this button, we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.